The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 10 5G for Verizon Wireless. So this is a new 5G smartphone for Verizon Wireless. This is an affordable 5G smartphone at that, so that's pretty nice. If you guys want a cheap 5G smartphone, the TCL 10 is worth taking a look at it. This is a very nice looking phone. So it's available now in diamond gray, 128 GB of storage, and you get the options of paying monthly or full retail price. So it's $16.66 a month for 24 months, so $3.99 and $99 for retail price. Is not bad for this phone. And like I said, this is a 5G smartphone. So 5G for $400, that's a win. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like. Like I said, this is a very nice looking phone. So there's a whole bunch of front-facing camera. Power and volume keys will be on the right side of the phone there. I do like the wallpaper there, very nice looking wallpaper there. So yeah, there's the right side power and volume keys there. The left side will have your micro SD card and SIM card slot there. On the back of the TCL 10, there is a triple camera setup, dual camera flashes on each side of the cameras there. Fingerprint sensor, TCL logo, and your 5G logo on the back, and it has this interesting design on the back here. So pretty interesting. So the back of the phone looks very interesting, looks very nice, and looks interesting. You know, like I said, you do have two cameras in the back, dual camera flashes, fingerprint sensor, TCL logo, and your 5G logo there on the back. How do you get out of here? So let me go back to that. There's a back over there, of course. Back over there, the right side of the phone, like I said, has power and volume keys. The cameras do stick out there just a bit there on the back, so keep that in mind. There's the front. Bottom of the TCL 10, you do have Type-C charging port, which is nice, and your speaker. I don't know if one of them is a microphone and one of them is a speaker. Probably that's what it is. I don't think it's still speakers, but I could be wrong. On the top of the TCL 10, you have your headphone jack and your noise cancellation microphone. It's not interesting, but to put a headphone jack on top of the phone, that's kind of interesting. And there it is, front and back. Alright, so pretty nice looking phone as well. So it has an interesting design on the back of the phone. So the TCL 10 is 3.1 inches in width, 6.44 inches in height, 29 hours of usage time, 21 days of standby time. Like I said, you do have two cameras in the back at 48 megapixels main, 8 megapixel super wide angle, and a 5 megapixel macro lens with a dual LED flash. Pretty cool. So it says they're introducing the TCL 10 5G, a powerful smartphone with lightning fast 5G speeds, send messages, stream videos, and use apps with ultra low lag on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. With the dedicated display engine, built in to improve the visual experience on the device. Viewing photos, videos, games, and media is always a high quality experience. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor delivers a seamless user experience, and the quick charge battery keeps you connected all day. Snap pics or record video on the triple camera system and use super night mode to get clear shots no matter the time of day. Experience everything the TCL 10 5G has to offer on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So 5G speed, so that's the main selling point for this phone. It's 5G at $400. So let's keep up with the speed of Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Experience super fast download, stream 4K video and video chat in high definition with ultra low lag. The powerful Snapdragon 765 5G with Wave support delivers a smooth user experience every time. So that's pretty cool. Easy viewing. Elevate your viewing experience on the 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a dedicated display engine for enhanced color, clarity, and contrast. Enjoy true-to-life visuals, HDR video playback, and reduced visual fatigue thanks to TCL's Next Vision technology. So it's pretty nice. So fluid performance. Fast connectivity meets fast performance with 6 gigabytes of RAM, up to 128 gigabytes of storage, and add an additional 256 gigabytes with a removable micro SD card. The 4500 mAh battery keeps you fueled for all day use. Power up to 50% in under 20. Says power up fast to 50% battery in just only 37 minutes with quick charge. And share the power with your friends or other devices with on the go reverse charging capability. So that's pretty cool. So you can share power to other devices as well. So that is a neat feature. Advanced triple camera, capture steady video in 4K and take high resolution pics with the AI powered 48 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera for mesmerizing details. Take brilliant photos day or night with dual LED flash and super night mode, or share your best selfies with portrait mode, all with the advanced imaging processing of Next Vision technology. Stay connected in style. The TCL 10 5G will add a bit of edge to your style. Its symmetrical camera with dual LED flash layout and rounded 3D glossy glass backing provides a premium visual look and creates tactile experience for an amazing value. So it does have rounded edges. There is a design that on the back of the phone looks very nice on the back as well, and very interesting design on the back of the phone. So pretty nice looking phone, you know. So TCL did a great job with this phone, in my opinion, in terms of specs and all that. So the TCL 10 5G has, your dimensions on the TCL 10 5G is 3.1 inches width, 6.44 inches height, 0.37 inches depth. The TCL 10 5G is 7.4 ounces. It's available in diamond gray. There's a SIRE rating 79, usage time 29 hours, 21 days of standby time. You also get sub 6 millimeter wave as well. 4G global network. It's a world device which works in over 200 countries. It is XLTE ready. Dublin R4G LTE and working cities. Coast to coast. It's also LTE advanced as well, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. Front camera is a 16 megapixel camera on the front. 3 cameras on the back at 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel super wide angle, and a 5 megapixel macro camera with dual LED flash on the rear. Android 10 on board, Google Assistant. AC voice is here as well, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Of course, that's pretty nice. Wi-Fi is 8 to 11 ABGN and AC. Wi-Fi direct dual band Wi-Fi, Snapdragon 765 5G processor. It's an octa-core chipset, so pretty nice. 128 gigabytes of RAM and 6 gigabytes of RAM, so that's pretty nice. And you do have a micro SD card slot up to 256 gigabytes, so take advantage of that as well. And you have a 4500 mAh battery, and the battery does not remove. So for $400 you're getting a lot for this one. 5G is its main selling point. So for $400 you are getting a lot. So I think TCL did a great job with this phone here. So if you guys need help with your phone, or if you guys need help setting up your phone install, Verizon has your camera with that with device support. So it says here, Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So Yeah. So what comes in the box is your TCL 10 5G smartphone, 4500 mAh battery, which is not removable, wall charger, Type-C cable, 5G SIM card, SIM ejection tool, and Verizon voice service. So yeah, so there you guys go. The TCL 10 5G is now here at Verizon Wireless. It's available now for $16.66 a month, 24 months, or $399.99 for retail price. And I think for $400 it's worth every penny of it. 5G for 5G for $400. That's a win, and I think it's definitely worth picking up. The phone looks very nice. It has an interesting design on the back of the phone. Looks very nice. Special phone very nice. So everything about this phone looks nice on paper. So yeah, this phone has a lot of features in it for $400. You're getting a lot. So if you guys want a cheap 5G smartphone, the TCL 10 5G is worth taking a look at here. So yeah, so the main selling point for this phone is its 5G connectivity. So that is a win. So yeah, there you guys have the TCL 10 5G. It's not here at Verizon Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys ever lets me know a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.